And a big welcome back to the YouTube. How are we doing, guys? I hope we're good, and I hope we're having a fantastic day. So today I'm going to be talking you over Joey. Joey has become a very good friend. To be honest with you, I think everyone I've put on my Instagram has become a really good friend. They're just great people. But Joey has a special place in my heart because he is currently working in the job that my brother currently works in. He was working in the job that my brother's currently working in. He was an electrician. Being a Sparky, you could be bouncing here, there, and everywhere. You know, you've got the van, and you're driving up to London, and you're moving around, and doing all these different jobs. Plus, doing some extra kind of work on the side. Like, I'm going to be transparent. Joey was textbook. I don't have time. We often get inquiries from people who work a 9 to 5, or they're doing this as a side hustle, and it's I leave for work at 7, I get home at 6. How can I grow a business? That was Joey to a T. To a T. So I'm going to run you through today, guys, how we took Joey from an electrician. He was earning £1,000 a month from online coaching. So, he built a good base up. He's now a full-time online coach, earning around about that 6K per month mark. Now, when I say around about, he has indeed hit 6K per month several times. I believe his PB was almost at 7, but again, we're talking about run rate here, okay? Don't want to bullshit you guys, we're talking about run rate. So let's present. Ta-da! So 6x his business. How does an electrician 6x their business? Let me talk you through it. So this is me and Joey in the gym. This is at Physique Warehouse. For those of you who are based in and around like South London, Surrey, that kind of way, like Epsom, Kingston, that kind of way. Fantastic gym. Fantastic gym. This picture does not do justice to the size of Joey. He's a big geezer. So Joey is the epitome of in my eyes, of just an absolute joy to work with, and a business structure that I can scale with my eyes closed. I'll be transparent with you guys. The issue was Joey didn't know that much about business. He knew fucking loads about coaching, but not that much about business. Which, to be honest with you, most good coaches fall into this category. And what I mean by most good coaches who have never worked with a mentor, just have never been taught the business side of things. I've just dropped my pen into my shoe. So many coaches come to us in this position, right? You got 10 results, you got 15 results, you got 20 results plus, but little to no marketing, no lead generation system, no content strategy, no nurture sequence, and no sales process. So what did we do? Now, bearing in mind, guys, these are some of the first questions I'll ask someone on the call. Like, right, what's lead generation strategy? How's it working? What's conversion rate? Like, these are all things business 101, which a lot of people skip. So, step number 1, belief. I believed in Joey, and I still do from day one, okay? Something I've found out is that most mentors don't give you themselves on a one-to-one basis. So we decided, fuck that, I want to offer you business coaching. I want to be with you every single step of the way. It's why, and I'm probably shooting myself in the foot saying this, you get my number. We can talk on WhatsApp. We can bounce back and forth. You get me and my team. Like I've said on previous kind of trainings or previous calls or previous YouTubes, you get me and my team. We have expanded that. We have improved it. And we've continued to kind of layer it and make it what it is today. But if there's one thing that we do and we do very well, it's accountability and support. And we won't be beaten on that, all right? So I gave Joe my number, okay? I told him step by step what to do and why. Then you will make me proud. And I remember saying that to him, and I've actually got the WhatsApp message to back it up if I can find it on here. And I just said, like, look, mate, I'm not letting you off the hook until you're fully online. It's happening, and we're going to celebrate when it does. 4 months went past. He quit his job and went all in online. Okay, so it took Joey 16 weeks to go from electrician to fully online as a coach. Okay, 16 weeks. Most of you who are watching this right now who are really into training and really into coaching, your fucking diets last longer than that. Do you know what I mean? So imagine one dieting phase and you can quit your job. And that's the power that's the power of accountability. So step number 2, lead generation. This was the big one, big one. Joey's a very good communicator. You meet him in person, great guy, easy to talk to. He's a people person. So we didn't just say, right, here's a script, go use that. We taught him a flow. We taught him a framework. We taught him how to build rapport. We taught him how to forge relationships online. Because a lot of people, obviously, you learn this in primary school. Here's how, or infant school. Here's how you talk to a human being. How do you now transfer that onto a social media page without coming off as wanky? It's not something that is taught in school or on a PT qualification. So we teach you how to do that, all right? No hard sales, no spam. No more through DMs. This led to Joey booking in calls left, right, and centre every single week. Routinely he was updating our WhatsApp chat, with me and the team, basically saying to us, look guys, booked in another 5 calls this week. It was brilliant to see, really brilliant to see. It makes me very happy and very proud as a mentor. So that was the first 2 steps: belief in himself, a system for lead generation. What was step number 3? Step number 3 was we continue to focus on the most important part of the business, and that's service delivery. That's something that we never want our clients to slip. Like, if a client's ever worked within Coach's Corner for a period of time, and we hear feedback that our coaching delivery is poor, I take that personally, because I never want any of the coaches to deliver a poor service. That's our badge of honor. Deliver a great service. That's like number 1. So we delivered weekly calls and service deliveries to ensure Joey was staying up to speed with new science, strategies, programming, photo shoot prep, reverse dieting, exercise selection, adherence, checking flows, you name it. We taught it, and we also put it in the curriculum within school as well. And we put them in bite-sized chunks, because I'm going to be transparent, guys. Like, you're not always going to have time to listen to a 1-hour webinar. So we put them in 10-minute trainings as well. So you can just, if you're driving to the gym, you can even listen to it in the background. And you can listen to, like, right, here's how to get your clients to adhere more. Here's how to organise their weeks a little bit better. Here's how you can change their diets. Here's how you can push them harder in the gym. Here's how you can change their program. Here's why, okay? Now, this allowed Joey to sharpen his coaching knowledge even more and to continue to achieve epic results with everybody that he was coaching. All right, so that was the 3rd step. That's the 3rd thing that we looked at. The 4th thing that we looked at is we focus on what counts: relationships, results, lead gen, sales, okay? Forge great relationships, get great results. Lead generation is going to be easier. Sales is going to be easier. You still do need skills to do that, okay? Miss one of these and you don't really have a business. A lot of great coaches, they focus on this: relationship, result, relationship, result, relationship, result. And then what you do is you raw dog your way to a slightly bigger business. And then usually coaches get stuck at a certain point. You get stuck at a certain bottleneck and you're like, how do I get past this? And the way that you get past it is learning how to effectively lead gen, both inbound and outbound. Most people do one or the other, both inbound and outbound, and then actually learning how you can sell yourself. Because the art of selling isn't ramming something down someone's throat. It's basically getting to a point whereby you understand no one wants to be sold to. People want to choose to buy from you. Okay, so you're articulating information and educating people in such a way where they're like, you know what, this is the person for me. That's new age sales. Old school is Wolf of Wall Street bullshit where you ram it down someone's throat. New school, you just become the mayor of the town. You just clearly show that you're the best at what you do, and then people are going to gravitate towards you, and then it's easy to onboard them as a client. So that's what we taught him how to do. So Joey's content was inconsistent. Joey often missed check-ins, and Joey missed live calls. This isn't before the mentoring. This is during the mentoring. His content was inconsistent during the mentoring. He often missed check-ins during the mentoring. He often missed live calls during the mentoring. Okay? So, like, how did he achieve the results? Simple. His clients came first. Simple. He asked directly, one-to-one questions. Okay? He spent more time implementing what we told him to do than anybody else that I know. We would give him something to do, and Joey would go quiet for a week, and we'd be like, "You right, mate?" Be like, yeah, I'm just implementing what you told me to do. And he comes back and be like, "Oh, by the way, I got 6 new clients." And we just sit there like, "Oh shit, wow, okay, he is really implementing here," And again, he stayed steady with lead gen. He stayed steady with sales. They started feeling way, way easier for him because he had a flow he could use, and the service, quite frankly, spoke for itself. So, for any physique results obsessed coaches, I think growing your business, this is a bold statement, all right? And I'm going to say this with chest because I really believe it. I think growing your business is piss easy. That sounds arrogant, but I think it is. Like, if you come to me right now and you're like, I'm a good coach, I've got 10 sick results, growing your business is a piece of piss. It is. Because I'd say that's the angle that we take on business mentoring. Clients first. If you can show me your clients first, and if you can show me you've already begun that journey, I can turn things around for you very quickly, okay? Now, you don't understand how to go from a coach to someone who runs a business. That's where we come in, okay? Once you've learned this and have accountability, your business will skyrocket. I'm going to look straight into the camera when I say that. When you learn how to be a business owner and run a business, your business will skyrocket. It's that simple, okay? I call this type of coach the world's best kept secret, and I love to work with them. I just do. I love to work with these kind of coaches, okay? Now, they work well from being told what to do, why to do it, and how to do it. Funnily enough, some of the most successful coaches ever are hugely into physique development, and they've got the mindset of, you tell me what to do and I'll do it. Great. in that case, you're going to be successful. It's not a, we could be successful. It's going to happen, okay? Because you've already got the mentality to make it work. Because you guys just implement like crazy. So if you have bags of results, but you wonder why you're not growing, okay, I want to help you put the growth wheels on using our proven strategies to success, some of which I've just talked you through right now. We'll sit down on a call and we'll do this one-to-one. It won't be go use this flow. It will literally be me and you will have a chat and we will figure out together how this business is going to grow, okay? Now, if you would like more information on how we can do this, just DM me. I'm going to use a keyword here. Just DM me the word Joey so I know that you've watched Joey's video, and let's get to work together. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.